Welcome to Python programming. Today we are going to learn Model 2 control statements. Through your Google Colab, open Jupyter Notebook. I named as Model 2 IPYNB. In the control statements, we have two different types. The first one, branching. Second one, looping or iterating. What is the meaning of branching? Based upon the condition, I am going to divide the flow of execution into different parts. That is normally called a branching. In this class, we are going to learn if else, if else. The second one, that is looping or iterative. In the looping or iterative, we have while and for. Based upon the condition, I am going to do the same task again and again. When the condition is false, then I am coming out of this loop. So first we will start this branching statements. Whenever we are writing the program, in the initial stages, we should write algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to achieve the desired result. Now, I am taking this problem. Find the given number is positive or negative. Here, I start the solution for this problem by writing an algorithm. Now, the first step, I am starting the process. The second one, I need to read the number. For that, I write down read n. N is my variable. Step 3, to find the number is positive or negative, we must check the number. So I am going to check if n greater than 0, we can easily tell it is a positive number. So I am checking n greater than 0. If it is true, I am going to print positive number. If it is false, I am going to print negative number. Then I am going to stop my process. This is a simple algorithm to find the given number is positive or negative. Then, based upon this algorithm, we need to draw flowchart. Flowchart is a pictorial representation of an algorithm. Now, for writing the flowchart, we are going to follow some standard symbols. Whenever you are representing your problem in terms of symbols, we can easily understand. For that, we are going for flowchart. So for start and stop, for step number 1 we have start, step number 5 we have stop. For both steps, we are going to use that oval symbol. Then second one, for read and write, we are going to use parallelogram symbol. Then third one, for expressions, we are going to use rectangle symbol. Then fourth one, if you are putting any condition, I am going to use this diamond symbol. Then fifth one, whenever you want to connect different paths, okay, we need a connector. For the connector, I am going to use circle symbol. And also, I am going to use the different flow lines, right, left, top and bottom. These are the different symbols available. Now, this is the flowchart of our algorithm. Okay, if you see the algorithm, the first step we are having start. So I put this symbol for start. Then second step, we are reading the number. So I put one parallelogram. Inside that, I write read n. Then third one, I am checking the condition. Here I am going to use that conditional statement that is called if. If n greater than 0, then I am making this right hand side is true, left hand side is false. Once the condition is true, again I am printing positive number. If it fails, I am print negative number. Then I connect the two paths by connector, then stop the program. So here we have finished our flow chart. Okay, by seeing the flow chart, we can easily understand the flow of execution. Now, by seeing this flow chart, we can easily write the program. Now, I am going to write the program. In the flow chart, we have initially start. For start, I am going to write some come statements. That is program number 1. Then find the given number is positive or negative. Okay, here if you are putting the hash symbol, the meaning is it is single line comment. A particular line won't be executed. That is the meaning of hash symbol. Now for start, I have written like this. The second one I need to read. For read, n equal to input of. Okay, you need to put input. Okay, it is a function to get the input value. Suppose you want to get integer number, then you have to put int of input. So input is a function to get the input from the keyboard. If you need integer number, you have to convert in corresponding input into integer, because whenever you are getting the input through your keyboard, it will be of string data type. So I am converting the string data type into integer. Second step over. In the flow chart, in the third step, I am having if. So we have a keyword if, then I am putting n greater than 0. In Python, all the control statements ended with colon. Then I am going for the next line. Okay, leave some space. The space is called indentation. After checking the condition, okay, it will take the indentation, because it is going to coming under the corresponding condition. So now if n greater than 0, if it is true, the flowchart what we put no print, it is positive number. Now next we have else. This is also keyword. Suppose the condition is failed, okay, in the false part we put print, it is negative number. So for stop we don't have anything. Now I am going to run the program. If you run the program, it will ask the input. You will get one text box. In the text box, I am going to enter my input value. So here it's asking input. I am entering 23. So it is a positive number. Then again I am running the same program. Now I am giving a different value, -10. Then shows that it is negative number. So this is a way of handling our if and else. Now we go for a next one. Find the given number is positive or negative or 0. Okay, for this I need to write algorithm. Okay, step number 1, start. Step 2, okay, read n. Then step 3, check n greater than 0. If it is true, print positive. Else if, again I am checking, check n less than 0. The condition is true, print negative. Else print 0. Okay, here this entire thing coming under step 4. Now step 5, have algorithm. Now we need flowchart. Okay. Now in the algorithm we have start symbol. I put start symbol. Then second step I am having the read n. Now I am going for the third step. I am checking the condition and put that if n greater than 0, if it is true, print positive. Okay, if it is false, again I am checking this. If n less than 0, the condition is true, print negative. Then I am giving else, print 0. Then I have to connect these 3 branches through connector, then stop the program. Okay, this is a flow chart for your second program. Now, by seeing the flow chart, I am going to write the program. Okay, for starting now, I am taking this program number 2. Okay, then find a given number is positive or negative or 0. So the second step, we are reading the number. So I put int of input. Suppose you need any message, here you can type, enter the number. Now, third step we have, if n greater than 0, then put your termination of colon. The condition is true, then print I'm going to print the number also. So n comma is positive number. Okay, then we have a else and if. So I am putting both things like this. But this corresponding else if no, it won't accept by Python. So we have a keyword elif. Okay, meaning is else if. Then I am putting print n is negative number. Then third one in the flowchart we have else, that is your false, print 0. That's okay. Now we have finished our second program. Now I am going to run this program. Oh, it's getting error. So what there is invalid syntax. Here I didn't put the condition. So elif n less than 0. I forgot the condition. So after putting the condition again running the program. Okay, now it's asking the input. So I am entering 34. 34 is positive number, yes. Then again I am running minus 28. Is negative number. Then I am taking 0. Okay, so perfectly working. So now we have finished our branching. Now I am moving to looping. In the looping, I am going to find out the sum of digits. For example, here I have n equal to 1, 2, 3. You know how to get the number. Okay, by using your input function, we can easily get the number. Then I am going to find out this sum of digits, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, if you do like this, you will get 6. This is a problem we are going to solve. Now for this, as usual, okay, we are going to write this algorithm. Okay, algorithm, okay, it is we can easily write thing as okay, we are going to get some number, start the process, then read n value, then I need to check whether the number is greater than 0, because if it is greater than 0, then only we can easily add. If it is 0, no, the sum also will become 0. Further, I am putting one condition. So then How I am going to find out this? So here I am going to put while n greater than 0. Then how I am going to add the digits? Again, for this, first you should split this each and every digit separately. Here we have two operators. For example, I am taking 10, 11 modulus 2. Okay, if you are putting 11 modulus 2, in our programming side, the modulus operator always return this remainder. So 11 modulus 2, you will get this one. 5 2s are 10, the remainder is 1. Suppose you are putting 11 divided by 10, okay, you will get this 5. Okay, 5 2s are 10, so for remaining thing it will come in fraction also. So it will print this 5 here, otherwise I will take like this. 10 divided by 2, you will get this 5. So modulus operator returns this remainder, divided operator that is written this quotient. So by using this modulo operators, we can easily split the digits. Okay, that is the logic. So here you have to write this logic in terms of sentences. That is our algorithm. So based upon the algorithm, we have flowchart. The first step, start. Then I am reading my n value. To store the answer, I am initializing the variable sum equal to 0. So it is an expression, so I put in rectangle. Then I am going for my while loop, while n greater than 0. Here I am changing the true and false direction. If it is true in your looping, I am going for downwards. If it is false, I am going for right hand side. So if the condition is true, I am entering into the loop. This is our true part. Okay, I want to get this first digit separately. So n equal to 1, 2, 3. You take the same example. Here this is my n 1, 2, 3 modulus 10. So 1, 2, 3 modulus 10. They will return the remainder. The remainder is 3. So r value is 3. Now sum equal to sum plus r. Here I initialize sum equal to 0. So initially we have 0. 0 plus 3, it will become 3. So first digit we splitted and added in your answer. So now we need the second digit. For that, n equal to n divided by 10. So we have 123 divided by 10. It will give this 12. The 12 will come over here. Now again it's checking this while loop. At 12 greater than 0, condition true. 12 modulus 10 answer r equal to 2. So sum equal to, already we have 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So sum will become 5. Now I need this, the last digit, that is 1. For that, n equal to 12 divided by 10. Okay, it will become 1. Again, it will come over here. 1 greater than 0, condition true. 1 modulus 10, it will become 1. Sum equal to, already I am having 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Now, n equal to 1 divided by 10. Okay, we will get this 0. So the condition is failed. Once the condition is failed, it will become here a false condition, print sum. In the sum we are having 6. Now we are going to write the program based upon this flow chart. So for our start, I put this program number 3. Okay, the hash symbol is called single line command. The particular line won't be executed. Start over. Now I need to get one number, n equal to int of input, enter the number. Okay, this is for your second step. Third step, what we are having, sum equal to 0, and this is one variable. Then we have the flow chart while n greater than 0, colon. Okay, I am coming to the true part, r equal to n modulus 10, then sum equal to sum plus r. Then I am having n equal to n divided by 10. Here I need to put one integer, otherwise it will write in fractional part. So this is our true part. In the false part, what I am having now, print sum. Okay, here our program is over. Now I am running this program. Enter the number. Okay, here I have taken the same number 1, 2, 3. It gives 6. So you can also check different numbers. 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's clearly giving. This is our usage of while loop. Now I am going to show the fourth one coming under looping, that is your for loop. Here what I am going to perform now, I am going to print the numbers from 1 to 100, which are all divided by 3. So if you take 1 to 100 now, we have to start with 3, then the ending value, that is 100, then we can increment by 3. For looping statements, we have 3 parts. The first one, initialization. The second one, condition. Then third one, increment or decrement. Okay, you can easily see the 3 parts in our while loop. But if you take your for loop, we can write like this: for. Okay, this is a variable which is going to take the values for I in, that is also keyword. We have a function called range. In the range, we have 3 arguments. What is your initial value? That is first part. The ending value, that is second part. The increment or decrement. So the I will take first 3, then it will compare this with the 100. If it is true, it will enter into true part. Okay, again the second time it will increment by 3, it will become 6. So now it compare with your 100. So condition true, it will print 6 like this. Okay, for this you can easily write the algorithm. I will show the flow chart. See, first I am putting my start symbol. Then here little bit I change the diamond symbol. Okay, instead of diamond symbol I put one hexagon for loop. For I in a range 3, 100, 3. Initial value, that is ending value. This is my increment or decrement. Then if it is true, I am printing my I value. So first I will take this 3. It will print because it is less than 100. Then here it will increment by 3. It will become a 6. Come over here. 6 is less than 100. It will print 6. Okay, it will do up to 100. Once the condition is failed, it will come over here. This is my false part. This is my true part. Now I am going to do the program. Okay, here hash for start symbol, program number 4. Okay, then we have for loop for I in range. Okay, I need to start with 3. Ending value, that is 100. I need 3. So finally how to put this colon. Then print I. True part is over. If you see the false part, we don't have anything. So leave as it is. If you run the program, okay, we'll get like this. Very simple. The same thing we can do by your while loop. Okay, for this, what you have to do now, I equal to 3. Then while I less than 100. Okay, then print I. Then increment I equal to I plus 3. So now if you run this program, you will get the same output. Okay, here you can easily understand what are the three parts. Okay, this is my initial value. I'm comparing the initial value with the condition. Then this is my increment. Initialization, condition, increment. Okay, here I recap what we covered in our second model. First, we started with control statements. We have two branches, branching and looping. In the branching, I demonstrated if else. Second one, if else. Then we stepped into looping. In the looping, I demonstrated how to use that while loop. Then second one, that is your for loop with the range function. Thank you for watching.